As you can see here, when I shoot things, there's no score, just a level indicator. And game's no fun without a score, so let's add that score. So we're going to need to create an attribute, and that attribute is going to be an integer, because we want it to be a whole number. We don't want it to be 45.6. If we did, we'd use something like a real number, but for now we'll use an integer. And we'll give that a really cool name like score. So now we have our score. Great. Now what we need to do is every time an asteroid gets destroyed, we need to add a certain amount to that attribute of game.score. So let's do that. So let's see, rule destroy hit laser, play sound, lower asteroid count, all that, etc., etc. So let's add a change attribute behavior right in this rule destroy when hit by laser. So I'll go change attribute. Cool. And I'm going to put that up here. Let me put it right in there. There we go. And this will be change score. And the attribute is a game level dot score right there to let's see, I think we want to add maybe 10 points. It's up to you. Let's say we add 10 points every time we get one. So I'm going to click in the expression editor here. And so it's going to be game.score plus 10. Get that to work right there. Game.score plus 10. There we go. All right. Awesome. Now, let's go ahead and copy this and then add it to our small and our medium over here. So Command C to copy. Go to asteroid small, find the rule to hit by laser, and let's see if we can pop it in right here. There it is, change score. Cool. Let's go to asteroid medium, rule destroy hit by laser, and then right here, change score. Great. Now, of course, we have to actually show the score, and to do that, we're going to need a new actor to display it. So here's our new actor. Just like we had the level here, we're going to have a score here. And I'll call that display score. And that's going to be text. So display text here. And we want it to have both the score and we want to pull in that attribute, this one here, the score attribute. But we also want the word score. So to do that, we'll hit the expression editor. And this is basically the same thing that we did for level here, but instead we're doing it for display score here. So let's click in the box. And so in quotes, I'm going to put score. And I'm going to add a space, a quote, and then 2 dots, and then game, remember it's game level, dot score. Cool. So that's just show the word score and then the actual score itself. So I'll hit update here, and let's go to main, go back to actors, display score, drag that up here. Again, in the beginning it won't be very pretty, but we're just testing it to make sure that it works. So let's put it out like right here or something. And let's test it. Every time I hit something, it should add 10 points. Yeah, look at that. There it goes, adding all those points up as we go. Now, if you wanted to, you can make different point values for different size asteroids, or just make it the same. Or for that spaceship, which I can talk to you about later. Awesome. Now let's make it look a little bit better. And so to do that, I'm going to put it, let's say, right about here. And you don't have to mess with where it's going to be because you see I have that one over here. So maybe I'll put it right next to it. And I want to get rid of the alpha channel, make that 0. So let's go back to do that. I need to go to display score. There's your alpha channel, make that 0. And whatever size you want. And I'm going to make this green like that.